are going to write a secret message using beetroot and baking soda. The materials needed are a glass of water, baking soda, brush, beetroot and a knife. First we are going to prepare a baking soda solution. To prepare baking soda solution, we need baking soda and a glass of water. Put a spoonful of baking soda into this water and mix well. Now the solution is ready. Let's write a secret message. Now dip the paintbrush in the solution and write your secret message. Now I have written my secret message. To reveal it, we require a piece of beetroot. So let's prepare. Now let's reveal the secret. This is the paper on which we have written the secret message. Now let's reveal it. Now the secret message is revealed. It was written as I love mom and dad. This happened because the beetroot has a colored pigment called betanin, which reacts with alkali, such as baking soda, and turns deep purple, which is what reveals a message here. So, there are substances that can give different colors in the presence or absence of an acid or an alkali. Such substances are called acid-base indicators. Thank you.